Come on, Zoo. There's a lot to do to get everything ready for our garage sale.
Coming, Grandpa. Do you want to sell this?
Yes, Zoo. Bring that. The idea of a garage sale is you sell everything you don't want or need. Whoops.
Like this hat stand.
Exactly.
Oh, no. Pock?
Not to worry. I'll soon have this fixed. Oh. Zoo, can you help me with this? Just tell me when the table leg is over the slot.
Okay, Dad. Think it's in now.
Well done, Zoo. You're a great helper.
Wow, Mum. I've never seen so much stuff.
Yes, there's quite a lot. That was mine. I used to dance to it all the time, just like this.
May I have this dance?
Certainly. Oh!
Oh, I guess we better get on, or we'll never be ready when people turn up.
Yes. Come on, everyone. There's work to do.
Mum, Grandpa said you sell what you don't need in the garage sale.
That's right, Zoo.
How do you know what you don't need?
Well, it's something you've not used for a while, or you've had for a long time.
So maybe I could sell what I don't need.
Well, as long as you're sure, Bizoo.
I'm sure.
I thought Zoo loved all his toys.
What do you think, Pock? I don't play with this much anymore. And what about this? I think someone will buy that for sure. These will look great on my stall. Come on, Pock. Ugh. Let's get this stuff outside. Ooh. Whew. Ugh. Ooh.
Need a hand, Zoo?
Thanks, Mum.
There you go. Now you can have your own stall.
Great. It looks a bit empty next to Mum's stall. We need more toys, Pock. It's okay, Pock. I've had this bear for a long time now. And we've played with this a lot. Come on, Pock. We have to get all this onto my stall. Look how much stuff I've got to sell now, Mum.
I can see. And you've put Blue Bear on there too. You paid for him with your pocket money. Are you sure you want to sell him?
Yes, you were really happy when you bought him.
I know, but I want to sell him now. Zoo! Hey, everyone. Welcome to Zoo's toy stall.
That's the way, Zoo. You're a natural salesman.
Thanks, Grandpa.
Hello, I'm Blue Bear. I'm your best friend.
You know, Pock, I don't want to sell Blue Bear after all. I've got this already. And this.
Wow! Wow! Oh, this is great!
Thanks. Now I need to buy a hat or 10.
These will look splendid on my baby grand piano.
Do you really want that, Elzee? You could take something else. Some of the pieces might be missing.
But we can count them.
Yes, but it's very old. I had it when I was very young.
I think it will be all right.
I don't know. I think it's best not to sell it, just to be sure.
Sue, you don't really want to sell this, do you?
Not really.
I'll have this instead.
Phew.
Oh, look at you. I wanted that game for ages. I'll take this then.
This is okay, I suppose.
My Zoo, you have sold a lot.
Yes, my store looks nearly empty now.
Good.
I like this. Choo-choo.
Thanks, Zach.
Oh, this is great too.
No, that's not for sale.
Zach, Zoo put his jigsaw there because he didn't want to sell it.
Sorry, Zoo. I didn't know.
It's okay, Zach. You weren't to know.
Zoo, I want to buy this. Here, have some money.
No, not that. It's my favourite bear.
Then why was it on your stall?
I must have put it back on the table by mistake.
Huh? Well, sorry, but I bought it fair and square.
Hello, I'm Blue Bear. Tickle my tummy.
Look, Mummy, isn't this the best bear ever?
Hello, I'm Blue Bear. Tickle my tummy.
It's so cute. I love it.
Oh, Zoo sold you Blue Bear. It was his favourite.
I can't believe I sold Zinni a blue bear.
Maybe she'll take something else for him.
Like what? She's seen everything on my stall.
Come on, there's no harm in asking her.
Zinnia, is there anything else you take for my bear?
You mean my bear? No, there's nothing I want. I like my bear.
But, please, I didn't mean to sell him. Can I buy him back from you?
No, Zoo, I don't want anything else.
Oh.
Whee! Look at this, Zoo. Watch it fly.
See, Zach? It lights up.
Wow, that's great. Thanks, Zoo. Wow! Wow!
That's what I want. I'll have that.
No, you won't. It's mine. I bought it.
But I want it. I'll swap you my blue bear for it.
I don't want the bear. I want the plane.
Zach, if you find something you like too, then I can get my bear back.
Well, I like the game Elzee bought, but it's hers.
Elzee, you can have anything on my stall if you give the game to Zach. Then he can swap his plane with Zinnia, and then I can have Blue Bear back.
Okay, Zoo, if that's what you want.
It is. You just pick what you like instead.
I like this. Here you are, Zach.
Thanks, Elzee. And this is for you, Zoo.
Thanks, Zach.
Here's your blue bear, Zoo.
Phew, we all got what we wanted.
Well done, Zoo. I knew you'd sort it out.
Yes, in the end, swapping turned out to be more fun than selling things. I might even do it again. One day.
What's wrong, Pock? Oh, it's only a storm, Pock. I know it's loud, but it's nothing to be frightened of. But I hope it stops by morning. Grandpa is taking me and Elzee to the beach.
Is everything all right, ZOU? I heard you talking.
I'm okay, Mum. It's just Pock that's a little bit scared. How long will the storm last?
Oh, not long. It's best to try to get some sleep.
Okay, we'll try. The storm's gone, Pock, so we can go to the beach. Bucket ready. Spade ready. Come on, Pock.
ZOU,
Yes, Mum?
you need some breakfast.
Thanks, Mum. Oh. Ooh, what's happened to the garden, Grandpa?
Well, that fierce storm blew things over and and made this mess.
Oh, are we still going to the beach?
Of course. But let's clear up here first.
Okay, I'll help you.
Plug it, check. Deck chair, check. We're ready to go.
Ooh, can I take this, Grandpa?
Of course, Sue.
And this?
Why not?
And this frisbee?
Oh, goodness, Sue. Are you going to be able to carry all of that?
Yes, Grandpa. It's very important to have things to do on the beach.
ZOU, you're almost ready to go, ZOU, but don't forget your lunch.
Ooh. Thank you.
Have a good day at the beach.
Thanks, Dad.
Hi.
Hi, Elzee. We're ready to go.
Then let's get to the beach. See you, Mum.
Have fun!
Find us a nice spot, Sue.
Okay, Grandpa. I choose this spot.
Good choice, Sue.
Hello, Sue. Hello, Elzee.
Hello.
Hi. Ooh, what are all those bits of wood?
Ooh, I don't know. Let's take a look.
I wonder where they came from.
This bit is curved, like the front of a ship.
What is it, ZOU?
Maybe it's from a shipwreck.
Perhaps you're right.
And there's so much wood. The shipwreck must be really close by.
Let's try looking over there.
Don't go too far.
We won't.
Is this from a ship?
It must be. That means we're getting closer. Elzee, it's a pirate shipwreck. Zach!
Oh,
You're here.
yes. I came with Zinnia.
Where's the pirate shipwreck?
What shipwreck? I'm just making a pirate sandcastle.
I don't think pirates had castles, Zach.
I know, but I wasn't sure how to make a pirate ship out of sand.
How's that sandcastle looking, Zach?
I finished, Zoe.
It looks cool.
We're looking for a real shipwreck. It's where all this wood came from.
Ooh, a shipwreck.
It must be. Will you help us, Zach?
Oh, yes, please.
Look!
Ooh. There!
That's a good-looking boat.
Let's check to see if anything is missing.
It all looks perfect to me.
ZOU. Are you admiring my boat?
Yes, Uncle Xavier. We thought it might be a shipwreck.
A wreck? No. It's brand new.
Daddy's going to row me out to sea so I can go fishing.
So where shall we look now?
Here, let's follow this trail of wood.
A trail?
Maybe it leads somewhere.
Look at that.
That wasn't there before.
It must be the shipwreck.
Then we should find bits of the mast, or a rudder, or a nameplate, or...
This is just a lot of branches and old wood. I don't think any of it comes from a shipwreck, ZOU.
There's Zygmunt and Zerosta. Maybe they know where to find it. Hello, Zygmunt. Hello, Zerosta.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Are you looking for the shipwreck too?
A shipwreck?
Oh, there hasn't been a shipwreck, ZOU.
But where did all this wood come from?
Oh, this is just driftwood.
What's that?
Well, sometimes branches of trees fall into rivers and get carried out to sea where they drift.
And the longer they're in the water, the more they get worn away into interesting shapes. Like the one you're holding.
But why is there so much of it on the beach?
The storm!
That's right, Elzee. The storm was so strong last night that lots of driftwood washed up on the beach.
Oh, so there isn't a shipwreck after all.
Thank goodness not. But we've been collecting the driftwood because we thought we could make a sculpture out of it.
That sounds like fun.
We could help you.
Why, thank you. Let's gather as much wood as we can.
I've got this bit.
I think this wood is a little too heavy for you to lift, Pock. Let me. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoops. Zinnia, can you use your net to...
I am using it, ZOU, but I've still not caught any fish yet.
No. Can you catch some driftwood for us? We're gonna make a sculpture.
Ooh, can I help build it?
Zygmunt, can Zinnia help with the sculpture?
Of course she can. The more helpers, the better.
Daddy, let's go. We'll catch this one. I've caught something at last.
Well done, my precious.
That's loads.
Oh, there's more to come. Look.
Here you are, ZOU.
My, you have had a busy day, ZOU. But what are you going to do with all that wood?
We're going to make a sculpture.
Fantastic. But, a sculpture of what?
Well, we hadn't thought that far ahead. Perhaps ZOU has an idea.
It's brilliant. Just like a ship sailing on the sea.
That was a great idea, ZOU.
Where is ZOU? And Zach?
I thought it needed a finishing touch. And thanks to Zach and his super pirate flag, ta-da! It's finished. I named this ship the Driftwood Storm. I'm going to be the first one on the beach.
No, me! Hi, Zoe!
ZOU, Elzee. Lovely day for a swim.
Yes, but today's the last day of the school holidays, and we'd like to go out on a kayak.
I'm sorry, ZOU. Not today. We're repainting all the kayaks. Got to keep them waterproof.
That's a pity. I tell you what, ZOU. Why don't we go and buy one? I'm sure I saw one at Mr. Zoe's the other day.
Wow. Are you sure, Grandpa?
Of course I am. It'll be our family kayak. Then we can use it whenever we want.
Brilliant. You can have a go in it too, Elzee.
Thanks, Sue.
Right then, Mr. Zoe's it is. See you later, Zoe. We'll be back soon with a brand new kayak.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, you mean you haven't got any kayaks left?
I'm afraid not, ZOU. Your Uncle Xavier bought the last one just this morning.
Oh, and I really wanted to go kayaking.
We could still have some fun on the water, ZOU.
Yes.
Why not look around and see if there's something else you'd like?
All right, Grandpa. Wow! Yes, Puck. Look!
I see you found my new Ranger pool toys. The spaceship is very popular.
Mr. Zoe, is this all right to use in a water park?
That's what they're made for, ZOU. And you can let the air out when you're not using them. And so much cheaper than a kayak.
Well, ZOU, what do you reckon? Shall we take the spaceship?
No. This shark.
Oh, yes. Look at those teeth.
Oh, yes. Thanks, Mr. Zoe. Thanks, Grandpa.
I hope no one thinks it's real.
Beware of the shark, Puck. Wow! Cool shark, Zoe.
Hi, Zach.
We're taking my shark to the water park. Do you want to come with us? If you get one too, we could have a race.
Oh, yeah! Dad, can I have the spaceship one, please?
Of course you can, Zach.
Thanks, Dad. Whoosh! Zach the spaceman blasts into the unknown.
Can't wait to race you.
My spaceship will beat your shark.
Well, that's the boys sorted. What about you, Elzee? Would you like one of these too?
Oh, thanks. But my mum got me one the other day. Oh, can we get it on the way back?
Of course we can. Come on, let's go.
Yes.
Have fun.
Yeah!
Do you like my shark, Zowie? Mr. Zoe had sold out of kayaks.
It's great, ZOU. And I like your spaceship too, Zach. And that fish of yours, Elzee. But you must put on your armbands before you can go out on them. Take 2 each from the basket, please. Uh-huh. OK, you're all good to go.
Yeah!
Have fun.
Blast off! Can't catch Zach the space pirate!
Wait for me!
One big shark coming to get you. My shark's faster than your fish.
Don't think so, Zoo.
My spaceship can go faster than a silly old fish or a shark.
Whoa! Hold it! Everyone out of the water. ZOU's shark has a leak. Look, there are bubbles coming out of it.
Oh, but it's brand new. I only got it today.
Don't worry, ZOU. I'll see if I can patch it. Back to the beach, please, all of you. Right, let's take a look. Yep, that should do it. And your shark will be fine once the patch holds. Let's leave that to stick. And perhaps I'd better check the others for leaks. Your fish is fine, Elzee. It could swim an ocean.
Yay!
And your spaceship could fly to the moon and back, Zach.
Great!
Now, Zoo, let's check if your pool toy is fixed. Oh, I'm sorry, Zoo. Still not safe. See those bubbles? They mean it's letting out air. Sorry, it's just not safe to use.
Oh. Hey, Zoo, you can share my fish. We can take turns.
Thanks, Elzee.
That's very kind, Elzee.
Sorry, Zoo. What for?
The shark. You bought it from my dad.
It's not his fault, Zach, or yours. It was faulty when it left the factory. Your dad couldn't have known. And I'm sure he'll give us another one.
See, Zach, everything's fine. Come on, let's play.
Lift off!
Here, Zoo. Your turn.
Thanks, Elzee.
Race you to the moon, Zoo!
Fish can't fly, Zach. Flying fish can.
Daddy, look! It's Zoo!
Hello, everyone.
Hello, you two. Oh, my, that's a fine-looking kayak you've got there, Xavier. Mr. ZOU said you'd bought the last one.
Yes, Zinny Pops just had to have it. Didn't you, Puppet?
Oh, Daddy, look at those!
Sleeky, it's built for speed.
Yes, I'm sure it is.
Think I'll take it out for a spin. Lovely day for being out on the jolly old water.
Well, have fun out there.
We will. See you later. Oh, let's go. Hang on, my little Zinny Pops. Oh, yes. Oh, a life on the ocean wave. Isn't this fun, Zinnia?
Yes, it is, Daddy. Brilliant. Daddy?
Oops. Sorry, Zinny Pops. Perhaps you'd like to play with your little friends?
But we've only just got the kayak, and you got it because I wanted it, and...
Don't worry, Poppet. I'll be fine on my own. And you can play with ZOU and Elzee
Thanks,
and...
Daddy.
All right, let's head back to the shore.
Elzee, can I play with you? Those pool toys look like lots of fun.
Yes, they are. But, it's just that I'm sharing my fish with Zoo already. I don't think 3 of us can share.
Oh, all right.
Zack the Space Pirate is about to blast off on a new adventure!
Zack, could I share your spaceship? Zoo and Elzee are sharing.
Oh. All right, Zinnia. I've just got back from my mission to Mars, so you can have a go now if you like.
Thanks, Zack.
Hey, Zinnia, you coming to play too?
Yes, Zack said I could.
Hey, now we're all sharing. Why don't we have a race? A relay race.
Oh, good idea, Zoo.
Yeah, what fun!
We could go between the pier and the safety ring.
Yes, and I'll put some of these rings out. You pick a hoop each time you get here. And then, when I blow my whistle, the team with the most hoops wins.
Yay!
Ready? Go!
Go on, Elzee! Faster! Faster!
Come on, Zinnia! My spaceship is supersonic!
Here you go, Zack! Your turn! Go on, Zack!
Go, Zoo! Keep going, Zoo!
Looks like the little ones are enjoying themselves.
Keep going, Zoo!
Doesn't it? Care to join me, Grandpa?
Me?
Go on. I can keep an eye on the youngsters. I've got a spare life jacket.
Thanks, Sally.
Oh, yes.
This This is the best last day of holiday ever. What a brilliant movie!
I love dinosaurs.
Me too. Let's watch another. We haven't seen War of the Dinosaur yet.
ZOU, wouldn't you rather do something out in the fresh air? It's a lovely day.
Yeah, we could go to the playground in the park.
Good idea. We can always watch movies when it's raining. Watch out, Wells. Here comes the Zoosaurus. The biggest, scariest dinosaur in the world. Roar!
Ah!
Roar!
Don't worry, Elzee. Grandpa-saurus is coming to save you.
Not so fast, Grandpa-saurus. Zoosaurus is gonna get you too. Hang on. Look, Grandpa. Over there.
What is it, ZOU?
It couldn't be, could it? That would be so amazing.
ZOU, what do you think it is?
Remember the movie we watched earlier?
You think it's a dinosaur?
Not a dinosaur egg. Look, it's big and egg-shaped. It has to be a dinosaur egg. It's really heavy. It might be a Tyrannosaurus Rex's egg. They're one of the biggest dinosaurs ever.
Oh, let's hope it isn't, ZOU. They're not very friendly.
It could just be a large stone, you know.
But, Grandpa, it doesn't look like a stone. It's all egg-shaped and sort of eggy.
Well, yes, eggy, but...
If it is a dinosaur egg, it's very pretty.
Can I look after it, Grandpa? Please?
I don't see why not. It doesn't look as if it belongs to anyone.
The egg must be very old. If there'd been a dinosaur in the park, everyone would have seen it.
Yes, and heard it. Grrr!
ZOU, I think Pock feels a little left out.
Don't worry, Pock. You're still my extra special friend. And I can't play with an egg like I do with you. Grandpa, we might be able to find out about dinosaur eggs with the tablet. Could we look, please?
Good idea, ZOU. I'm a bit curious myself.
Thanks, Grandpa. Dinosaur egg.
My word. There are a lot of them.
That one looks a bit like your egg, ZOU.
Yes, but it doesn't have red spots. Just think, if a baby dinosaur hatched out of that.
It'd grow and grow until it'd be too big for your garden.
Well, if it gets really big, we could build it a special dinosaur house.
It might eat it.
Oh, yes, but it's got to hatch first. Maybe it'll help if you played it some music.
OK, ZOU. Let's try it.
We're just going to my room, Grandpa.
All right, ZOU. See you later. Oh, my word.
Maybe it'd like pop music better?
Maybe. No change so far.
It looks like music has no effect on eggs.
Huh? Look, Elzee, it moved. It must be a dinosaur egg. The baby inside must have moved it.
I don't think so, ZOU. It fell over because it wasn't between the two cushions properly.
Oh, yes, you're right. Here you go, Pock. Maybe if you sit on it, It'll hatch. Just for a little while, Pock. Your feathers will keep it warm. And then the baby dinosaur will hatch.
How are the 2 egg watchers getting on? I mean, 3 egg watchers.
We're fine, Grandpa, but the egg needs something to stop it falling over.
Righto, ZOU.
How about these?
Yes, those'll do very well. Every dinosaur egg should have a stand like that.
We're back.
There's Mum and Dad. Wait until they see what we found. Mum, Dad, look what I found in the park. A dinosaur egg.
My goodness, Bisou.
Good grief.
Well, it certainly looks like one.
Well, well. That's quite a find, ZOU.
Oh, I hope the egg doesn't hatch in my room while we're eating supper. I'll go. Hi, Zinnia.
Hello, ZOU.
Oh, hello there.
Hello, Grandpa. Hello, ZOU. Are they in?
Mummy and Daddy are in a bit of a hurry.
I can see that.
I'm sorry, I haven't heard about anyone finding a sculpture today, Zelda. Of course, if I should hear anything.
It's a piece by Zander III, the most famous sculptor in the entire world. And Xavier goes and loses it. It's a total disaster. The centerpiece of our new exhibition. Our reputation in the art world will be in tatters.
You see, I did have rather a lot to do today. Take Zinnia to school, then go to Mr. Zoe's, and after that, visit our suppliers. I must have left it somewhere.
Did you retrace your steps, Xavier?
Yes, of course I did. Several times, but no luck, I'm afraid.
We all lose things sometimes, Uncle Xavier. I'm sure it'll turn up.
As Nana says, it'll be in the last place you look.
Of course it will. You stop looking for it then.
We really should be going now. You still have to tell Zander what happened, Xavier, and I am not looking forward to his reaction.
I wanted to show you something I found today.
Another time, dear.
But I want to see what ZOU found now. Please, Mummy. Daddy?
Oh, all right, Zinny Pops. But we have to be very, very quick.
This way, but you have to shut your eyes first. You can open your eyes now.
Oh!
Whoa!
Brilliant, isn't it? I found it in the park.
I don't believe it. You did it, ZOU. Thank goodness.
Did what?
That's the sculpture Daddy lost.
A sculpture? I thought it was a dinosaur egg.
Well, it's supposed to look like one.
That's why Zander called his piece Dino Egg. I picked it up this morning and then sat in the park for a bit. Of course, I must have left it there.
Here you are, Aunt Zelda. Oh, I wish it had been a dinosaur egg. It's a pity my dinosaur egg wasn't real. Still, I had fun looking after it for a day.
And Pog seems very happy with the clay egg you and Elzee made.
It was very nice of your Aunt Zelda to give you the clay and paints as a reward.
Yes. She said they were the best paints in the whole shop.
I think Poc's quite pleased there won't be a baby Tyrannosaurus Rex in the house.
Yes, that might have been quite a challenge.
That's true. The best place for dinosaurs is on the TV. Now, who's ready for a dinosaur movie?
Go!
Do you think we can mend it, Grandpa?
I think so, ZOU. I'm quite good at mending broken vases. Only next time, perhaps we ought to remember that the living room isn't the best place to play football. Now, the first thing we'll need is some glue. If I can just remember where I put it. See, no. It could be no. Oh. Of course. There it is. Thank you, Pock.
Ooh. Grandpa, look what I found.
My word. I haven't seen that in a while.
What is it, Grandpa?
That? It's a fly swat for very big flies.
No, it isn't.
No, of course it isn't, ZOU. This is a cricket bat.
It's okay, Pog. Grandpa didn't mean it. So, what's cricket?
It's a game. One of the best games in the world. It is quite complicated, but what it boils down to is this. The bowler bowls, or throws, a ball at you, and you have to hit it.
Huh? Wow, let's find a ball. Can I have a go with the bat, Grandpa?
Well, yes, of course. But I think it might be safer if we play outside.
In the garden.
There might be more space at the beach.
The beach? Brilliant!
Yeah, but first, I think we'd better mend that vase.
Very good choice.
Hey, guess what? Grandpa says that... Oh, ZOU! Hello, Zinnia.
Hello! Zinnia's come to play for the day.
Oh, good.
Yes, Xavier and I have to organise a very important event. It's to advertise our shop. So we thought Zinnia might like to play with you. Bye, baby. Mwah.
Bye, Zelda.
Bye.
So, what shall we do now? ZOU, what are you doing with that vase?
Grandpa and I mended it.
I didn't know it was broken.
It wasn't till, I had an accident. But we're going to the beach. We can't break any vases there.
The beach? Oh, goody! We can play pirates. I can be, the brave pirate queen sailing the seven seas in search of treasure and...
We're going to play cricket.
Oh, what's cricket?
Well, you have a bat and a ball.
Do pirates play cricket?
Oh, yes. They love it.
So, how'd you play?
Now then, the batter stands here in front of these sticks. The bowler...
That's me!
Yeah, the bowler bowls the ball and the batsman has to hit it.
And then everyone else can play pirates!
Well, later maybe, but until then, everyone else tries to catch the ball after it's been hit.
And if you catch it, the batter stops batting and gives someone else a go. But if the batsman hits it good and hard, he runs.
Where to?
To that stick over there. Every time he gets from one end to the other, it's called a run. And the team that scores the most runs wins the game.
So, who wants to bat first?
Me!
But I wanted to play pirates.
I know. We can play pirates and cricket. The pirates, that's us, against the grown-ups.
Yes!
Good idea,
played, Puck.
Pirate Puck.
Oh.
Yeah!
Oh, yes.
Yes!
I've got it. Did you see that?
Zinnia, what is it? Are you all right?
Yes! Oh, look! Treasure! Pirate treasure! I found treasure! Open it, open it, open it, open it!
Oh, my word! It looks like Zinnia's right.
Real treasure!
Well, it certainly looks like treasure.
But how did it get here?
Maybe it's put there by real pirates.
Oh. What if they come back for it?
Don't worry, Zach. I'm here. I'll protect you from those pirates. Won't we, Grandpa?
Of course we will, ZOU.
In the meantime, what are we going to do with it? We can't leave it here.
Perhaps we ought to take it to the City Museum. They'll know about things like this.
No!
It's the pirates!
No, I don't think it is, Zinnia.
You stay here with Grandma, Puck, and mind the treasure.
I think it's your mum and dad, Zinnia.
Well, of course I remember to leave it here.
So where is it now? It can't just have disappeared.
Zinnia, darling. I thought you were...
What are you doing here? Playing pirates and cricket.
Cricket.
You haven't by any chance seen a large chest around here?
Yes.
It was full of plates and goblets and knives and forks.
Yes.
We were supposed to be holding a special barbecue down here for some of our important customers. You know, as a sort of advertisement for the shop.
It's up there.
But if there's nothing to eat the food off...
Well...
Did you say yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank goodness. Where is it?
Up there, on the cricket pitch. Follow me.
I found it!
Well, I suppose it was a good job it was someone we knew. I mean, if anyone else had come across it.
Yes, all that gold and silver.
Oh, it's not real gold and silver. Just cleverly made plastic that looks like gold.
Oh, do stop fooling around, Xavier. Well, the party wasn't supposed to start for a little while, but seeing as we already have some guests and the cutlery and crockery, why don't we get it started now?
Yes! Oh, yes!
Xavier, be a pet and go and fetch the food.
Come on, I'll give you a hand.
And while we're waiting, let's play some more cricket.
Yay!